Welcome to our full review of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Dzire Facelift, the popular compact sedan that just got smarter, sharper, and more premium. In this 8-minute video, we'll take you through every main component of the new Dzire, including engine specs, exterior upgrades, interior features, safety additions, and most importantly their approximate prices. Let's get started. The 2025 Dzire Facelift brings a more refined and modern look. At the front, the new grille now features a honeycomb pattern with chrome accents, giving it a sportier character. The redesigned LED projector headlamps come with integrated DRLs, and the front bumper now has larger air intakes. The updated fog lamps sit in sharp new housings, complementing the premium design language. The rear now includes a revised LED tail lamp signature and chrome strip across the boot for a more upscale appeal. New dual-tone alloy wheels complete the exterior transformation. Under the hood, the Dzire continues with the tried and tested 1.2 litres K-Series dual-jet dual VVT petrol engine, now tuned for better fuel efficiency and compliance with the latest BS6 Phase 2 norms. It produces 90 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque. You get two transmission options, a 5-speed manual and a 5-speed AMT. Fuel efficiency is a major highlight, 22.61 km/L for the manual and 22.41 km/L for the AMT, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its segment. Now coming to the interior, Maruti has done a fantastic job updating the cabin for 2025. The Dzire now offers a dual-tone dashboard with faux wood inserts and a soft touch finish. The 9-inch Smart Play Pro Plus touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The interface is crisp, and the audio quality from the Arcamis tuned speakers is impressive. You also get connected car features like remote engine start, AC control, geofencing, and live vehicle tracking via the Suzuki Connect app. Comfort has been enhanced with new fabric upholstery, adjustable rear headrests, rear AC vents, and a center armrest. The driver's seat gets height adjustment and the steering is tilt adjustable. Boot space remains generous at 378 litres, perfect for weekend getaways or family road trips. On the safety front, the 2025 Dzire Facelift is equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, Electronic Stability Program, ESP, hill hold assist, rear parking sensors, and a rear camera. Tyre variants now come with 6 airbags, making it a safer choice in the compact sedan segment. Let's talk about pricing. The base variant, Dzire LXi, starts at around a superscript 16.99 lakh ex-showroom. The mid-variant VXi is priced approximately at a superscript 18.10 lakh. Offering a good mix of features. Their ZXi and ZXi Plus variants are priced at a superscript 18.90 lakh and a superscript 19.60 lakh respectively for the manual versions. The AMT variants cost around a superscript 160,000 more across each trim. The top-end ZXi Plus AMT with dual-tone color can go up to a superscript 110.20 lakh. In terms of value, the ZXi variant strikes the best balance of features and price for most buyers. Maruti is also expected to launch a CNG variant soon, which will be ideal for urban users looking for even more economical commuting. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Dzire Facelift is a strong evolution of India's favorite compact sedan. It brings premium design updates, connected tech, great fuel efficiency, and reliable performance, all while keeping costs reasonable. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a family person, or someone upgrading from a hatchback, the new Dzire remains a top choice in 2025. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of the 2025 Dzire in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content.